Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today we're kayaking and maybe doing some photography as well. And also getting into some really narrow spots. Oh. Okay. Well, it is a beautiful day to be kayaking today. I didn't know if the weather was going to clear out or not, but ended up clearing out pretty nicely. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful afternoon. Weather forecast looks good. So my friend Nick, who's back there somewhere, was kind enough to invite me out to go kayaking today, and I said, yeah, of course, I'd love to go. I think there's some cool things up here. He said something about a moss waterfall or something. Moss fall. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I guess we're going to find out together. So stay tuned. Pulling up to the waterfall right now. That's really cool. I don't know how I'm going to shoot it yet, but I like it. That is super cool. Oh, that's beautiful. That is really cool. I'll check that out. Now, how am I going to shoot it? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, typically when I do waterfalls, I'm doing long exposures. I'm in a kayak. I have a tripod, but I don't know how deep that is. Way too deep for me to put a tripod in. Well, problem solving. I'll get back to you in just a second once I figure something out. All right, we found a spot. We're gonna try to do this without dumping a ton of gear into the river. Good luck to me. This may be a terrible idea.
Oh no!
Oh. All right, success. We got it. We got this. And my phone's ringing. Why? I can't answer a call right now. I'm busy. Ugh. Dry bags. Imperative when you're in the water like this. Get the tripod where I want it. Without killing myself. I just cleared a huge spider web with my face. Oh, that's so slippery. All the filters. Any chance you could throw that smaller dry bag up to me?
Okay.
I might need to come back over there to help. Forgot my filters. They're in the kayak. Oh. All right. Okay, next tip. Don't leave your filters in the kayak. All right, today's weapon of choice will be the 5D Mark III, 16 to 35, 2.8 Mark III. I think I'm gonna go vertical. I'm going to try to just get away with a circular polarizer since it's pretty dark over here. I think I can get away without using a neutral density filter. I'm going to be stopped down fairly deep because I want a lot of depth of field in this foreground. But I want the polarizer because I want to take off the glare from these rocks in the foreground. When I'm shooting next to waterfalls like this, try to watch the front lens element and make sure it's not getting spots of water on it, which it is right now. So I got to clean that off before the next shot. How is there still a spot on the lens? Oh, it's on the inside. I'm going to bracket this too. There's a lot of dynamic range, foreground and background. This is where I kind of hope the sun didn't come out for shots like this. All right, so for shooting, we're bracketing 5 stops, 1 stop intervals, low ISO, f16. See if I can find anything else. I want to slow down this movement a little bit, but the little pieces of moss are still moving quite a bit. So instead of using a 9 or 10 stop neutral density filter, I'm going to use a 3 stop. At least this lens has a much longer hood. Help prevent it from getting splashed. I'm a huge proponent of lens hoods. This is one of the many reasons why I always have them with me. It's not just for preventing sun flares. It prevents the elements in general from getting to your lens. As always, with long exposures, you want to turn your IS system off. .200mm, I'm at low ISO, f2.8, third of a second, with a 3-stop ND filter on there. All right, I think that's about all I can get from here. It's a tricky place to shoot. Let's keep going. You know how they always say the best camera is the one you have with you? This is a pretty good case in point right here. Just gonna take a couple shots with the iPhone 7 Plus. And I'm shooting in a Lightroom mobile, and I am shooting in RAW, so I still have some capability in post to do something with it. But that's really pretty. That was pretty fun. Saw that waterfall. Kind of heading into some tunnels now. Gonna try to navigate this area here. Probably get a lot of spider webs on my face too. Definitely couldn't take a canoe through this. Way too shallow. Oh, cool. There is a rather wet looking great blue heron right in front of me. I wonder how close I'll get before I piss him off. Usually they're really skittish. He's looking like he's gonna run. That's his body language. Yeah, there he goes. Wow, this is really shallow. Oh, we're hitting the bottom. I don't know if I'll make it through this. Oh, that's a face full of bushes and a tree. Oh.
It's a great spot to be alive.
Oh, God. Okay, still have my tripod. All right. Tree stuff out of here. Now we get to watch Nick try to do the same thing. Oh, this is fun. It's less funny when it happens to you, but when you watch your friends do it, it's great.
Struggling so much.
Just lift it up.
Yeah, that's what you were saying.
Oh. I tried to just plow through it. That didn't work. All right, onward. Oh, it's starting to get pretty late out. I gotta head back. Had a lot of fun out here on the water today, kayaking and doing some photos. So if you liked what you saw, please comment, rate, subscribe below. Let me know what you thought. Also, if you'd like to see more about what I do, please visit my website, jeffgrahamphotography.com/blog. And you can see all the other trips and recent things I've done. Until next time, good luck and happy shooting.